Hello student, today we will discuss about abrasive jet machining and water jet machining. First of all, we will discuss abrasive jet machining. What is abrasive jet machining? It is the material removal process where the material is removed by higher velocity stream of air, gas या water and abrasive mixture. An abrasive is the small hard particle having sharp edge and an irregular shape. High velocity jet is aimed at surface under control condition. Component of abrasive jet machining. First, abrasive delivery system, control system, pump, nozzle, mixing tube and motion system. All these material very important role play in their working system. Abrasive delivery system is deliver the abrasive material. Control system control the abrasive material. Pump system push up the abrasive material. Nozzle system rise the velocity of abrasive material. Mixing tube is the mix abrasive material. Motion system the control motion of abrasive material. This diagram clearly shows gas supply, pressure regulator, vibrator, filter, power supply and mixer, foot control valve, hand holder, nozzle, hood, exhaust and workpiece. This diagram we can clearly see gas supply यानी gas cylinder supply the gas by the help of filter and powder supply in the mixer. Vibrator vibrate the mixer with the abrasive material, then all those things going to be hand holder and nozzle rise the velocity of abrasive material, then work performed on the workpiece and exhaust is removable by the hood. Now we will discuss about working process of abrasive jet machining. High pressure water start at the pump and is delivered through a special high pressure pumping to be nozzle. At the nozzle, abrasive is introduced and as the abrasive water mixture exits, cutting is performed. Once the jet has ejected to nozzle, the energy is dissipated into the catch tank, which is usually full of water and debris from previous cut. Now we will discuss about advantage of abrasive jet machining. Extremely fast setup and program. No start hole required. There is only one tool. Low capital cost, less vibration, no heat generation in workpiece, environmentally friendly. Now we are discuss disadvantage of abrasive jet machining. Low metal removal rate. Due to stay cutting accuracy is affected, abrasive powder cannot be received. Taper is also a problem. Now we will discuss conclusion of abrasive jet machining. The better performance and the application represented above statement confirm that abrasive jet machining is continue to expand. The new software is to minimize time and investment, thereby making of possible more manufacturers for precision parts to install abrasive jet machining center. Now we will discuss about water jet machining. Introduction of water jet machining. Key element in water jet machining: a jet of water. Water jet travels at velocities as high as 900 meter per second. When the water stream strike a workpiece surface, then erosive force of water removes the material rapidly. The water in the case act like a saw and cut a narrow groove in the workpiece material. Now we will discuss water jet machining mechanism. Accumulator, check valve, intensifier, directional valve, motor, pump, valve, water in, filter, water transmission line, on-off valve, spiral nozzle, workpiece, drain, etc. the water jet machining mechanism. This is the important point of noticing every jet machining. We affected jet cutting rate work upon यानी depends upon workpiece type, thickness, feed rate. Fed a jet fluid types, velocity, fluid rate, pressure, viscosity, jet nozzle, diameter, stand off distance, material removal rate, surface quality, accuracy. Water jet machining application. Water jet machining is used on metals, paper, cloth, leather, rubber, plastic, food and ceramics. It is a versatile and cost-effective cutting process that can be used as an alternative to traditional machining method. It completely eliminates heat-affected zone, toxic flame, recast layer, work hardening, and thermal stress. It is the most flexible and effective cleaning solution available for variety of industrial need. In general, the cut surface has a sandblast appearance. Moreover, hardened material exhibit and better in finish. Water jet machining advantage. It has multi-directional cutting capacity. No heat is produced. Cut can be started at any location without the need of pre-drill holes. Weighting of the workpiece material is minimal. There is no deflection to the rest of workpiece. The work product is minimal. The tool does not wear and therefore does not need sharpening. The process is environmentally safe. Hazards, airborne dust, contamination and waste disposal problems that are common when using other cleaning methods are eliminated. Disadvantage of water jet machining. Hourly rates are relatively high. It is not suitable for mass production because of high maintenance requirement is need. Thank you all.